Hello everyone, my name is Jason Maas, and this is the infographic I created for technical writing class at the University of Idaho. This video is meant to explain some of the decisions that went into creating this graphic. The first thing that you'll probably notice is the color. I decided to use this color scheme in order to quickly convey some of the information on the infographic. Because traditionally blue and pink are associated with males and females respectively, having characters that are filled with those colors helps people quickly make that distinction. According to color theory, which defines how to create an appealing visual by selecting colors that work well together, this infographic would more likely be categorized in the complementary colors category, although it doesn't fit perfect in any category. Complementary colors are from opposite sides of the color wheel that when paired with each other, make each other look vibrant. I felt this color choice was a little risky, however, so the only other colors I included were neutral ones like tan and black. I also selected colors of blue and pink that I felt don't clash with each other. This, in my opinion, creates a color scheme that minimizes any sense of disorder while still retaining the color's ability to convey information. In infographics, it is important to lay out visuals on the page in such a way to tell a story. This design accomplishes that by using the concepts of scale, dominant and subdominant features, and the rule of thirds. When a viewer first sees this graphic, they will be drawn to the large and vibrant figure in the top middle. This is the dominant figure. Then they will scan to the number to the left of the figure and the graph directly below it. This is because they are large as well, but not quite as vibrant, making them subdominant. Then the viewer will scan through the various words and down to the bottom figure. This figure attempts to convey information quickly using the principles of scale. It shows groups of figures to signify the number of graduates from college in 1977 and 2011 instead of words to make it more visually appealing. Another example of scale is in the large centered figure, which is more pink than blue, making it clear on initial viewing that there are more female students than male. I also put a lot of thought into how the infographic is laid out on the page. You can see that it is split into three main sections: top, middle, and bottom. This was done to reinforce the visual hierarchy, leading a viewer to read through it in a certain order. In this case, because people naturally read from the top to bottom in the US, they will typically read from the top section going down as is intended. Also, by the rule of thirds, splitting the image into three sections helped convey a sense of organization to the reader. I hope I have effectively convinced those of you listening that the design of this infographic helps convey information to the viewer effectively without distracting them. Thank you for listening.